Now, if when you think about tuck shops or school canteens, you may imagine sandwiches and muffins. Well, think again, because the Queensland Tuckshop Recipe of the Year competition has much more sophisticated fare on offer. The contest is run by the Queensland Government to promote healthy eating in schools, and the winner is the butter chicken recipe from Southport State School on the Gold Coast. And the person who came up with it is Angelique Scarpignato, who joins us now from the Tuck Shop. Hi there, Angelique. Congratulations on your win. How are you all feeling there?
Hi, Roz. I'm very overwhelmed. It's been a whirlwind journey, but yeah, I feel really blessed that I've won.
Oh, that's great. So what's good about the recipe then? How healthy is it?
Well, it's very healthy. I hide a lot of vegetables in my butter chicken. I think why I won was because it is so packed full of veggies and it's tasty and it's got lots of flavour and the kids love it.
And of course, at the moment, it's all about cost of living these days, isn't it? Is it cheap to produce?
Yeah, I can make it for anywhere between $3.10 and $3.30, depending on the cost of ingredients, and we sell it for $5, and it's a decent serving, and I think it fills the kids up, and they really love it.
So do you have any left at the end of lunchtime?
Oh, no, not at all. So we make sure that we've got enough to feed everybody, and yeah, we don't have leftovers because we like to cook it fresh every Wednesday is butter chicken day. So yeah, we cook it fresh and we make sure that everyone gets fed.
So with that level of demand, how many pots do you have to make for Wednesdays?
Well, for our school, we do anywhere between 25 and 40 serves every Wednesday, and for the size of our school, that's really good.
So it's all about the flavour, isn't it? Do you think if the kids knew how many vegetables you were putting in there, that they would necessarily choose it?
Well, with the media coverage that we've had, a lot of children have come up to me and said, oh, we didn't know you put veggies in. Do you really put veggies in the butter chicken? So hopefully it doesn't affect the sales. We had a big day yesterday, so that was good. But yeah, it's packed full of veg. It's a nice healthy meal for them, and it's tasty, and they seem to enjoy it. So.
And are you working on other recipes to give the kids their healthy food?
Well, I cook lots of healthy meals in our tuck shop. I hide veggies wherever I can. I think our children at Southport State School eat very well, and they seem to like it because our sales have gone up and people are ordering, so they must enjoy it. And they don't know they're getting healthy food, which is great.
Many congratulations once again. Angelique Scarpignato.
Thank you very much, Roz. Thanks for having me.